How to fix iPhone notifications not working after update. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to your settings and then you're gonna have to simply scroll down and tap on notifications. Now here what you're gonna have to do is simply make sure that your notifications are on. So as you can see I have this option which is display as list. Then you're gonna have to scroll down and as you can see here you have different options. So you have show previews and basically this will allow me to see the notifications only when I unlock the iPhone. So you're gonna have to make sure that you have either when unlocked or always selected. Then the next one is to simply scroll down. As you can see, you have Siri notifications. So I've disabled Siri notifications because I don't want them, but if you want, you can keep them. Now the next step is to scroll down and then simply look for the app that you want to receive notifications for. So as you can see, I have Discord here, and as you can see, I've disabled the notifications. So all you have to do is simply tap on this button and basically now you're gonna receive notifications. So you're gonna have to do this to all the apps that you see that the notifications are disabled, and basically that's all you have to do in order to fix this problem. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.